Welcome, in front of me is Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater, and in this video I will show you how to change the bloom level in this game. To do that, you have to enter options, and to enter options you have to either start the game or press escape and select options. Once you are in options, go to graphics, and in graphics scroll down to bloom. And to change the bloom level, you have to switch this value to either low, medium, high, or just high, ultra, or off if you want to turn off the bloom. And once you do that, the changes will be applied automatically once you leave this menu by either pressing right key of your mouse or the escape button. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.